Hello Abaqus users. In this video we are going to talk about soil simulations in Abaqus CEL model. We have large deformation in the soil and we are going to study the deformation in the soil by some applied loads. CEL is coupled Eulerian Lagrangian method in which we have Eulerian parts and Lagrangian parts to simulate the soil mechanic. To understand how to do that, stay with us. Coupled Eulerian Lagrangian method. In this method, we have a Eulerian deformable soil part and we will have another part to apply the load, which is Lagrangian. It can be a rigid body or a deformable body. Another aspect in CEL is mesh strategy. In soil mechanics simulations, we have large bodies. We have large soil as a part. And we must use different mesh size in different mesh zones. Because if we use very fine mesh in all regions, then the simulation time will be very long. And if we use coarse mesh in all regions, then we will have a simulation with not accurate results. So mesh strategy in Abaqus CEL for soil mechanics is a vital thing. The next important thing in Abaqus CEL is material filled and material free regions. We will have Eulerian parts with material free and material filled. In other words, the elements with material filled will penetrate to material-free elements. To understand all these aspects in details, we have prepared a package for you, a tutorial training package for you, which is soil simulation in Abaqus CEL. It is a full tutorial. You will get in this package the formulation video, a video explaining the formulation of soil mechanics in Abaqus CEL. The Abaqus CEL model is explained step by step for the beginners to the advanced users. The mesh strategy, which is very important in CEL, is explained in the videos. Result extraction and result processing is also explained in the videos. And you will get all Abaqus files in this package. You can download this package by the link in the description. If you don't have time and you want your model to be done sooner, you have different model and you want to order your model, we can do your project and test it and teach it to you. You can order your Abaqus project by the link again in the description. Thank you for your attention.